Hello and welcome to the RocwooD YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at RWWDVC5 RocwooD 30 litre wet and dry vacuum cleaner 1400 watt. Taking a look at the box, it's in the recycled packaging. It also features the RocwooD logo on the front, as well as the product picture on the front as well. Turning to the product to the side, it shows the quantity, as well as the weight. This is a heavy duty wet and dry vacuum cleaner powered by the 1400 watt electric motor. This vacuum cleaner is capable of the most demanding cleaning jobs. Take a look inside the box. We can see it's got plenty of stuff inside. As you can see, the tube is packed separate to the vacuum cleaner. Extra packaging is also provided around the vacuum cleaner for security when shipping. This is what the vacuum cleaner looks like when you first pull out the box. It comes with a pipe to be able to connect to the flexible tube on the vacuum cleaner. All the rest of the products are stored inside of it. It features a HEPA filter that is already connected to the base of it, along with a 2 meter flexible tube. In addition, there are 2 large wheels for the back of the vacuum cleaner, along with an ergonomic handle with screws. It comes with a brush attachment, along with 2 smaller front wheels. There is the flat head for the hoover, along with the instruction manual. In addition, a telescopic one is also provided. Some foam is also provided as a filter, along with a vacuum bag. Some additional ones are also provided at RocwooD.co.uk. The specifications are maximum capacity 20 litres, maximum power 1200 watt, voltage 220 to 240 volts, its frequency is 1560 Hz, the material tank is stainless steel, and the dimensions are 28.6 cm by 28.6 cm by 45.6 cm, and it weighs 10 kilograms. The product features the adaptable tubes that can be stored behind the wheels. It also features a standard UK plug with a plug protector on it. In addition, the additional tubes can also be stored on the top of the vacuum. Here's what the massive one looks like attached to the vacuum. In addition, here's where the plug. Now take off the suck function. As you can see, the hole is just located below it. The product also features some plastic straps to keep the top down, making it nice and easy to remove the bag from the inside. Unique to this hoover, it also comes with a brush attachment, which is located behind the wheel. We have a tutorial in the top right hand corner on how to install the vacuum cleaner. It's also in more detail in the video linked above. Another thing that is unique to this vacuum cleaner is the fact that it's actually got 2 clean settings. It's got a 1 and 2 button for extra strength. It also features a built-in socket for connecting drills, circular saws, etc. Now to the comparison with RWWDVC3. We will now be comparing RWWDVC3 to RWWDVC5. Both vacuums feature bendy tubes, however the 5 one is much longer. However, they both feature the same ends, so both tubes can be switched between the vacuums. They both also feature the wide heads for vacuuming up. However, number 5 one is much bigger and also features a foot paddle. In addition, it also has little wheels on the side to help it move along. Furthermore, the smaller attachments to get into the smaller gaps. On the 5 one, it's much longer. In addition, number 5 has 1 aluminium metal tube with a clip on the end, whereas the 3 one has 3 long plastic tubes. The 5 also comes with 2 more attachments, a one to go down in size, as well as a wet push attachment. Finally, the outlet for RWWDVC5 is on the front, and also features a socket on the front, which is perfect for drills. In addition, the 5 also has bigger wheels at the back. Each vacuum fits different needs, so all you have to do is select which one you want. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.